What implications will the impending regulations on stablecoins in the United States have for XRP? In today's discussion, we will examine how XRP is not only a problem in the United States, but also a geopolitical event that has the potential to alter the global order, the financial system, and the dollar. In relation to the cryptocurrency market, we are currently observing that Bitcoin has continued to decrease, which may be a positive or negative development. It was yesterday that I mentioned the importance of having patience in order to determine when the decline of cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, will come to an end. After reaching a high of approximately $78,500 earlier today, the price of Bitcoin has since recovered to $84,000. This was a respectable bounce, elevating the level of volatility. Although all coins displayed some signs of improvement, it is too soon to say that they have reached the levels that they were at during the months of November and December. The correction that Bitcoin is experiencing is still going on, and significant trading volumes are accompanying the decline simultaneously. Following this, it is necessary for us to determine whether Bitcoin will experience a final capitulation to approximately $74,000, which would be equivalent to a correction of approximately 33%, or whether the correction has already been completed. The reaction of Bitcoin to its recent low of $78,500 is something that we need to keep an eye on over the next few days in order to determine this. Altcoins are subject to the same rules. There's been a recovery in the price of XRP. However, as of today, it has fallen to $1.96, which indicates that there is a possibility of further declines. Despite the fact that some indicators continue to display 21 out of 100, the Fear and Greed Index is currently showing a score of 10 out of 100, indicating that market sentiment is at extremely high levels of fear. Possible explanations for this discrepancy include delays and updates. There are a lot of traders who are selling their positions out of fear, which is something that I believe is a mistake. This means that even if you initially purchased XRP for 50 cents or XLM for 10 cents, the prices of these assets are still within a reasonable range. Nevertheless, if you have invested in alternative cryptocurrencies that have reached new lows, selling at this point might not be the best decision. It is being put on a lot of people who have been holding altcoins for a long time to sell them at a loss. Following Bitcoin's movements, XRP has rebounded after reaching $79,000, just like Bitcoin did after reaching that level. Since XRP has dropped below the psychological level of $2, I believe that it will not be able to maintain its position above it and will most likely continue to fall. In the event that XRP falls below $1.98, the subsequent target is $1.77. However, this is not speculation, rather, it is an analysis of the trends in the market. In the event that the price of XRP falls to approximately $1.50, it is highly probable that a significant number of investors who are currently holding it will begin selling it. On the other hand, a significant rebound might take place after this level, which would present an opportunity for profits of 20 to 30%. I anticipate that the correction in Bitcoin will reach approximately $74,000, which coincides with the decline in XRP. At a critical level, $70,000 is reached. In the event that Bitcoin falls below this level and remains there, it may be an indication that the bull market has come to an end. On the other hand, I do not think that this will take place. Located in my Telegram channel regarding Bitcoin's corrections, I had previously discussed them. The price of Bitcoin has experienced a 29% correction since reaching its all-time high of $109,000, and it is currently trading at $79,000. In no way is this an extreme form of correction. There is a widespread fear in the market due to the fact that a large number of investors have significant holdings in alternative cryptocurrencies. It is possible that altcoins will be sold in large quantities if Bitcoin continues to experience further correction. Historically speaking, corrections of up to 40% in the price of Bitcoin are typical. It is my expectation that Bitcoin will correct up to this level, before it resumes its bullish trend toward $109,000 and subsequent levels. Recent statements made by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, indicate that meme coins do not qualify as securities. This is a positive development for the industry. On the other hand, mainstream meme coins such as Trump coin have not provided a response to this news. Following the forecast, it is anticipated that the price of Trump coin will fall below $10, thereby breaking the psychological level before possibly rebounding. Moreover, this pattern might be applicable to other cryptocurrencies as well. The conclusion that we have not yet witnessed the final market capitulation is suggested by this. It is possible that the current phase of correction will come to an end once this occurs. How will the regulations governing stablecoins in the United States benefit XRP? Pundits explain how they believe XRP will benefit from the forthcoming stablecoin regulations in the United States. They believe that regulatory clarity will open doors for Ripple stablecoin, which has been lost. Reserve requirements are assigned by the proposed legislation. Audits and licensing for stable coins, which will provide the regulatory transparency that is so desperately needed. Trust in Rlusd, which ensures compliance with regulatory standards, is expected to increase as a result of this, according to experts. As a consequence of this, Rlusd may become more appealing to institutional investors who are looking for a digital asset that is stable and regulated enough to facilitate transactions. In addition, we observe an increase in the market capitalization and the amount of minting activity. My demonstration from yesterday demonstrated that approximately 7 million Rlusds have been produced, which indicates that preparations are being made to establish its presence in the market. The demand for XRP is expected to rise in tandem with the expansion of international remittances and payments. In addition, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has announced that it will no longer pursue legal action against MetaMask, saying that it has dropped its case against Constancies and Ethereum. As the Securities and Exchange Commission, CC has been dismissing lawsuits against companies such as Robinhood and Gemini. Some people believe that Ripple could be the next target.